Okay. Now here's what I'm gonna do here. This is just a test on how I fill up my acetylene cannon. Okay. I'm gonna turn on the acetylene. Oxygen. Okay, you see how you got that nice good blue flame there? Okay, what you want to do to get the good mixture in your canister, you got to put it out, but let it go like just as it is. Okay, see, now I put it out, but right now it's still blowing gas. And what I'm doing, I'm going to put it in here until I see the bag fill up. And once the bag's full, you kind of cup it, then you close it. Once you close it in like that, the gas is in there. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, once the gas is in there, then you're all set. You've got a good seal right here. Okay, and then you put your new wick down here. Once you get that new wick down there, very carefully you light it this way. Don't light it that way, because if the gas gets down there, the flames get down there and hits that tape, boy, you're really gonna have a hell of a boom. Okay, and like I said, once the wick is in here like that, light it this way. I would suggest using a propane lighter or something. Then you haul butt. But naturally, I didn't put enough gas in here because I didn't want to fill up. But once you fill up with gas, when you lay it sideways, it gets like that. Then you know it's full of gas. Okay, and then you take off and you light it. And you light it, then you take off and get the hell of a boom of your life. I guarantee it. Okay, folks. Well, have a happy 4th of July, and I'll try to get a video of this thing going off. Got one more day left. Thanks for watching. Okay, today's 4th of July. I'm getting ready to prime my 105mm tank round casing with oxygen and acetylene. I got it bagged up already, the top of it corked up. I'm going to get ready to fill it up and cap it off and fuse it. Be right back. Okay, got this bad boy armed. I got my sparkler on my fuse, all loaded up. Huh?
When you're gonna make a flame, it's just gonna be a boom.
Okay.
Dude, you better watch out that gas coming out down there.
You better get back. Man, I'm shaking. I'm nervous.
Whoa!
Holy camole.